Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we look at 5 ways of earning without revealing your face. Not just that, but we'll also look at its benefits and the earning potential of all these methods. So basically this video will be helpful to all those who want to start their own YouTube channel but are not comfortable showing their face. Then you are at the right place. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first method is stock footage method. So as you can see, this is one of my favorite methods because this is what we're currently using in our channel. So this method not only helps you to hide your face, but you also need not use your own voice for it. But guys, this voice that you're hearing right now, it is real, okay? I am a real person. Anyways, so now I'll show you how to make a good video using stock footages. So just for your understanding guys, stock footages are nothing but secondary videos that you use to make your own videos. That is, they are motion videos that you use to make your own complete video. Okay, and an advantage of this method is that there are no copyright issues for using stock footages, so you can use it without any trouble and even get your videos monetized. There won't be any problem in that. So where do you download the stock footages from? There are 2 free websites that you can use to download stock footages. The first one is pexels.com and the second one is Pixabay. I'll give both the links in the description below. So here you search for the type of video that you want. So for example, if you're narrating a story and there is a man riding a bike, so you can search for bike ride here and these are the results that you will get. So here you will get all the photos, and if you want videos, then you can click on the video option beside that. And here you have all the results. So just click on any one of the videos that you like, watch it fully. And you can just click on free download if you think you like the video. So this is one website that you can use. And the second one is pixabay.com. So let us search for the same thing here, bike ride. And here instead of images, just click on the drop down and select videos. And here you have all your results. But here we're getting results for bicycle. So let's search for motorbike instead. And there you go. So if you like this video, click on free download here and select your desired format and just click on download, so you'll have your video there. But guys, I personally like Pexels more because they have more options to choose from, but you can use either of them or even both if you would wish. So this is the concept behind stock footages. And you can use these clips and give your own voice over behind to create a full video. We'll now look into how to generate a voiceover. So for this we'll use an artificial intelligence software called SpeechLo. I'll add this link in the description below as well, so you can check it out there. And for this, all you'll have to do is provide it with a text and automatically it will generate a voice that feels very human. So let me just show it to you.
Since the dawns of humanity, people would gather around the fire and listen to stories. That's why a good video is not efficient without a good voiceover that tells the actual story. The problem is that not all of us have a nice friendly voice like Morgan Freeman. Or we just don't feel comfortable recording ourselves. Previously the solution was to hire a professional voiceover artist. But there are 2 problems.
It was AI that was talking and not a real person, but it felt real, right? So you can use any type of accent you like, be it American, British, Indian, and they also provide many other languages. And you can use either a male voice or a female voice. It's totally up to you. So this way your video will be available worldwide and you don't have to be conscious about your own voice. So I'll show you how to use this software in another video. It's very easy to use this software. Just scroll down, click on buy now. So this is for $47 that you see here, and it's only a one-time payment. So this will cost you about 35,000. And I know you might feel that this is expensive, but it's definitely worth it, guys. And especially if you're serious about making videos and do not wish to show your face and or reveal your voice, and you're not comfortable with it, you can very well opt for this. So just click on buy now here again, give your credit card information, and you can purchase the software. Another benefit is that they provide a 60 days money back guarantee. So in case you don't like the output of it, you will also get your money back. And I'll put this link in the description as well. So you can visit it and check out all the other things if you want. So once you have your video and your voiceover is also ready, the next step is to compile them and make it into a single video, right? So for this, you can use a software called Filmora, and this is what I use for editing my videos. And if you need a free software, you can use OpenShot. So you can use either this or Filmora. In this software also, there are a lot of features that are very similar to Filmora, and it is for free. So I've given this link in the description as well. You can check it out. So guys, basically you will get the stock footages for the video. You've created a voiceover, you've compiled them, and you are editing them using a software. So you have your final video ready, right? It's that simple, guys. You can do this in about 2 to 3 hours of time, which is very less when compared to you try to shoot a video with your own voice or face. There are a lot of trouble sometimes that we go through. So this is an easy method. The second method is creating a cooking channel. Here there is no need for you to show your face, and cooking channels also have a lot of attraction, guys, because these days a lot of millennials that use YouTube to make simple dishes, and even Gen Z, they're trying to learn to make fancy dishes. So there are channels with millions of views and subscribers, and all you have to do is show your ingredients, show your cooking method, add a soft background music to it, and you'll have your video. And the benefit of this is that you get a mass audience to target, because people from worldwide can watch and learn your recipes. And when your audience is large, you'll have a higher CPM, right, which will give you a higher revenue. So for example, if a Tamil channel gets a CPM of 1 point something dollars from India, but when the same video is watched from countries like Singapore, they'll get $15 for it. So when you target a worldwide audience, your revenue gets higher, and that's why it's not necessary for you to show your face and earn money. You can earn higher revenues even by keeping your identity anonymous. So the third method is starting a pet channel. This method is for all those who own a pet, and if not, you can skip here to look at the next method. So you might have come across videos of various animals on YouTube that are of different types, So one can be a daily routine of your pet, or you can upload some special videos like a park day of your dog or cat, a spa day of your pet, and so many other things. And the other type is making an interesting engagement with an audience. So for example, if your dog is staring at you and barking, you can put up a subtitle for it. So it's like you're kind of giving a translation to what your dog is saying. So while the dog is barking, you could just give a subtitle there saying, "Give me a treat." So this is what you think your pet is saying, and that is what you're telling to the audience. So that makes the video very engaging, interesting, and funny for the audience to watch, which holds their attention towards the video. So this is another method that you can adopt. The fourth method is gaming channel. So in case you're a gamer or you have interest in playing games, then you can do a live stream of your gaming sessions, or even upload it as a video on your channel. So basically here you're turning your hobby or passion into a source of income by uploading videos related to that. But there is one catch here, guys. So currently there are a lot of channels who stream gaming videos, but this doesn't mean that you cannot or you shouldn't make one of your own. Just make sure that you are consistent in uploading your videos. You will have to work hard, and you shouldn't lose hope if your number of views are less initially. It might take some time, but don't give up, okay? Because when it comes to YouTube, you cannot expect views and subscribers in the first week of your working itself. It takes some time, it takes hard work, so that you all you need to do is you must concentrate on being consistent and uploading regular videos, and after some time you'll notice that there's a sudden increase in the number of views that you have on your videos. So that's how it works, right, on YouTube. So all I'm saying is just trust the process and don't lose hope, and you'll be good to go. And another thing is that you'll also receive a passive income for all the previous videos that you upload. So it can be a video that you had uploaded last year, but even now currently you will receive a small amount of passive income from it, right? So that is one of the biggest advantages of YouTube. So it is always a thing that you can consider. The last method is product reviews and unboxing. This is similar to a cooking channel, so there is no need for you to show your face or give audio in the background. I mean, you can always give an audio in the background if you want, a voiceover, but it's not necessary is what I'm saying. So all you'll need is a plain background, and the focus will be on the product that you're unboxing and on your hands. And if you feel that you don't have a good plain background, then I'll give you a shortcut for it. So what you can do is you can use a plain white chart paper on any table that you have, any surface that you have, and focus the camera on that. And there you very easily have your plain background. So you can very well make any kind of unboxing or review videos for any kind of products that you own. So these are some of the methods that you can use, guys, to start your own YouTube channel without being conscious about revealing your face or identity. And I bet you guys, if you do it with dedication, you can build a very successful career around YouTube. All you need to do is be consistent and do not lose hope. Just trust the process. Like I say, always trust the process. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section if it was useful, and which method are you thinking of using to start your own channel. And before leaving, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.